Politics Watch. This is Sir P. Now, enough time I hear me talk about 87 is this and that gruesome and that brutal, and you might think of those words, but I see a video will sum it up perfectly. A video of 87 that take off a youth head. We don't even know if it start. This is, you don't even know which path to go from here, so. The video I talk about, I go address it, and I also go address the story surrounding the two young men who went missing, Carson and Matthew. Them find them now, and let's just say, it's not exactly good news. As you can imagine, some of the details in this video is going to be, very graphic. Obviously, I can't show it, but I'm going to try my best to explain it. People need to understand the real underbelly of Jamaica. Irie man, no problem man. You need to see what people are dealing with. You need to see what you see on the nice pretty billboard them. You need to see one of your favorite leaders them been ignoring for decades now. Before we go into it, we have a Patreon birthday shout out. And this one is for Moses. Because Moses, say, I especially today I really wish he never drop on a day when time we have to cover something like this. But just know say the whole family love you. The birthday we are celebrating today is a very special number, very symbolic number. So I hope you have a great time. I know you get your presents to marry and all of that. Right, so, we talk about youth, we talk about conveyor belt, we talk about the fact that the youths them need to feel loved, to feel wanted. Right? And for me I understand, for me I see, for me I hear, right, all that in place. So big up yourself on your special day, and remember don't eat too much sweets, right? Teeth them drop out. We can move into the video. But I get to understand say, the youth in the video where head get take off. I get to understand say somebody on the south side him come from. Right now I'm not even business if a Palestine him come from. Whether, a Baghdad him come from. Them thing they're supposed to take place in a pretty Jamaica. In a beautiful country like Jamaica. Island like Jamaica. We're not supposed to see them thing there. Them thing they happen in a country where go through all kind of political turmoil, turn upside down. One group of citizens declare war upon the next and all kind of madness. This is not supposed to take place in Jamaica. I posted the video on Patreon, a separate video explaining certain things, talking about it, not just the clip. Right, you can check it out if you want, link is in the description. By now I'm supposed to know how to get to the Patreon side of things. And big up My View TV by the way, because when I see the actual clean cut version, because most of them what I see was like somebody has screen record them phone and all kind of personal information that get recorded up on the screen. So My View, big up yourself bro. But you see the youth already, right, lifeless. Them cover him in the dirt like say, them a bury him. And then one youth start to remove the youth head. They are so consumed with killing. Their lust for the savagery is so great. Them even catch the youth face on camera. You actually see who take off the youth head. That's Jamaica in 2021. The only other places where this normal, where you see this on a normal basis, a country, where you have to go down to the Middle East and them place there. You have to go down to some place where man say a jihad them depend. You know, find them thing in the Caribbean island just. I'm not talking about, of course, I'm not saying it happen nowhere else. We're talking about how often it happens, how normal it is. Jamaica's crime situation is extraordinary. So how can it be approached with ordinary measures? Your favorite woketivist, your favorite fake human rights activist, want you to use ordinary means. Means when them tell about things, them tell about what them see happen. Some little country with regular badness that them want you implement. They want to pretend like say, I know some dopey show thing this. Like say Jamaica badness, Jamaican 87s, I like them little foreign youth on the corner who, them call foreign punks when used to mischievous and fling one stone through one window and I give some little trouble. And them say, well, alright, make it us, some little social intervention and then we show the youth them that, they don't have to do this and them talk to them and the next thing you hear them go get one road on a subway. And them fools see them watch on TV and say, yeah, that can record Jamaica. With man want to take off it on camera and I show them face tonight. Some man run through Chadiga Park and wait up Pitney, woman, baby upon breast. The heights of barbarism. Brutish. In the video, when you hear the cutlass are lit against the youth neck, when you hear the next one say, alright, slice it off now. When you hear the youth say, yeah, so would the friend killer. Sound like a normal day's work. Sound like a regular thing. You know why them record this? Because they want to share it and laugh. Because if they go back go tell the rest of the man in the corner, people might not believe them. So them record it so that them can laugh. I say, see, they don't believe me. And we tell you, so we use the last and alright, watch this and show you. And then video start growing till the video get out. Because from bad man corner, in a bad man place, them things are separated from regular 87s. And that's what youths want. Regular badness not enough. Just being known as an 87 is not enough. They want to do something so gruesome that even other 87s have said, no brother, you're gone too far now. In the Patreon video, I said, any other country, any serious country will tell you, say, a two-way this can go. Either them designate the person as mentally ill and then put him in one straight jacket, right? And then some psychiatrists evaluate them constantly, or them say this is an act of terrorism. This is not badness. This fly past the dimension of badness long time. A long time gangs like Klansman and Stone Cushion them and they've gone past regular badness. But we don't want to fight them, we don't want to go against them with regular measures. But they come and say with a grain of salt because we know how to fix this, right? And if you give these youths, the youth them at the video, what they got the youth head, what they needed was community policing, social programs, and more money. If they did have all of them things, then this won't happen. So take a minute with a grain of salt. Now, next thing we want to talk about. The two young men who went missing, I know them find them. One named Carson and one named Matthew. Now, if I name go missing, you don't know, people start reaching out to me hear anything. Anyway, you're not at all. I found that strange. I hear a whole heap of theories, but none of these theories them. Every time I try to reach out to a source and say, how that go? That sound like us so? Nobody know nothing. Nobody can confirm nothing. The last time them see the vehicle, so one of them come pick up the other one. Carson come pick up Matthew. Two of them drive off. Last nobody see them. When time nobody no start hear from them, people are call, phone not answer. Police them started them checks. The last thing them see, right, was them see the vehicle by the Patrick City area. By them see the vehicle make a turn and them see he come back out and that's it. Nobody can find them. Right. 1 day pass, 2 day pass, 3 day pass. People ask me nothing. I say I don't say nothing. I don't hear nothing. By the time I see 4 days passed, I already know what's going on. And even though people hope for the best and hope for the best, eventually reality strike. And then that's exactly what happened. Reality strike when time they find them. They find you with them in some garbage heap. Suppose on the switch part and throw you with them. Where you say one of them, it's not been confirmed, but you say one of them head at the panning body, but that could be because of they were decomposed. They can see them dead for a while because the state of them body you can see say another the day before them dash them there. And the picture at the scene where them find them, if you don't look carefully, it look like I do some trash you look on. You have to look close and see so you can see like the legs them and the jeans and Jamaica's a serious place. It's not no case of country I get bad, the country gone bad long time. And enough people are linked because you know a young youths them, popular youths them, people are linked me and I tell them can't believe something to them. Can't believe something to Matthew. Can't believe. What do you mean I can't believe? Which country have you been living in? Can't Jamaica, must be Disneyland you there. This idea that you can't be, me understand say when I one thing for know say people can lose them life and then when it happen, you know, it kinda hit harder, sure. But when people are gonna tell me say they can't believe say them do that to Matthew, what do you mean they can't? Them do that to Pitney and breast. Wake up and smell the thirsty bush. You don't see what the man them do Jasmine Dean. You don't see what the man them do the 80-year-old woman. You don't see what the man them do the 2 little girl them. Run down 6-year-old. What do you mean when they can't believe? When they can't believe? Oh, always see him on the scene and a cool you. Went into 87 business about that. If 87 is doing business about 6-year-old, 4-year-old, 5-year-old, the man in the business about 81-year-old. It in the business about no youth, about cool youth. It in the business about how him always a smile. Which world in I live in? Wanna better take this crime thing serious, you know? Especially, no for who love the badness until you see what badness really look like. Because me said the youth family can't even eat. Everybody's stressed out. That's the reality of badness. That's the, when I say badness, I mean the reality of people getting killed through crime and violence. That is the reality. The man them only sound of love, when you not sing, you want gun kerosene. When you not sing about you want gunman in there, what do you think gunman do? The same thing when you describe to me, are the same thing when your favorite 87 make another family feel. So someone need to make up on the mind and pick a side and stay over there. Because you don't want to depend on the side of facility until somebody where you know get caught up in it. And then you want to leap back over to the side where say this is too far, crime and violence too much. Right? And you want to talk about crime badness, you need to cut out the violence for like 2 weeks or until the somebody you know bury. Then when time the somebody you know bury, you jump back over upon the acidity side. And you dip on the badness train again. Make up on the mind. Someone blow like one leaf. Leaf blowing over here so. Breeze blowing the back over here so. Down the back over here so. Make up on the mind, on the dip on. What do you stand for? We're telling already about this indecisiveness that plagues our culture. People can't even decide if they're against crime and violence. On one hand, them say them against it because, for example, what happened to Car Star Matthew and them know him, or them know them. But then the badness looks so cool. Right? The acidity looks so cool, so them want dibble and dabble in it. Make up on the mind. Don't wait until somebody where you know. Don't wait until your brother, your cousin, your baby father, your baby mother, your father, your uncle. Don't wait until then. Because at that point, it's not really genuine. At that point, when you start talking about why the crime bad, it's not genuine. I just you feel it. If you're against something, you're against it no matter who it happened to. If you're against man and feed up Pitney, it no matter if you're a Pitney or your neighbor Pitney or a Pitney in St. Thomas or a Pitney Negril, you're against all Pitney getting violated. They better turn a blind eye and big up man and feed up Pitney right throughout your whole life, and then when you hear say you're a Pitney or you're a little cousin, then you want to come jump up and talk about we need to stop the abuse of children. That's disingenuous. But you know what? Maybe it'll go take the crime to turn up on everybody's doorstep for Jamaicans get serious. Maybe the whole nation have to go feel it. Maybe everybody have to go lose somebody until we realize it. And at them time we go realize, you know what, this have to stop. Maybe that it'll go take. You know. But we not learn. Or we not hear. Anyway, Nation Squad, big up on yourself. Yeah, you don't know, more life. Ultra Squad, stay circling, less.